shine so bright, you might go blind, blind, blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jordan, and I am back again with another video 2 years later. Guys, things have been so hectic and crazy. I'm so sorry that I've been gone for so long. This video is well overdue, but I'm back and I swear I'm consistent, you guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jordan. I am the business owner of Dripped and Juice Nail Studio. That's right. Come Get Juice Nail Services and Supplies is no longer in the building, you guys. I had to file an amendment and get my business name changed. If you're following me on Instagram, you already know all these changes that have been updated, but we're going to get into all of that here shortly. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and leave me comments down below on the videos that you would like to see. If you're returning back to my channel, hi guys, I missed you so much, and we're just about to go ahead and get into the nitty gritty. So for today's video, I am doing a ombre freestyle for my girl. And guys, it turned out so freaking cute at the end. So please keep on watching. I will talk about some of the products that are used in this video. But I also want to get you guys hip and do a little story time on why I have not been posting. So first things first, if you're following me on my socials, you know that I have moved my business location a couple of times. I was working out of home for about maybe 2.5, 3 years. And then I moved to Baldwin and I worked at a salon out there in like Baldwin, town and country area. And then I moved again this past July of 23 to a downtown St. Louis area. So let's just kind of backtrack and go back like 3 years ago, 3 years prior, because that's kind of where everything took place. I was filling out applications to move my business from my home because I felt like it was time to elevate. Like, I feel like when you're going to get a service done by a professional, they're usually in a professional setting. And yes, I had a very nice setup in my house, but it wasn't given professional. Like, I had to give out my personal address. And sometimes, y'all, that can be kind of tricky, especially with state. You have to have certain licenses and stuff like that. And I don't know, like, how would you feel walking into a stranger's home? And think about how I would feel about having strangers in my home, you know? So I think it was just time to elevate. So I moved out to town and country, Baldwin area, and I got a studio down there with a sink, and it had the lighting, it had the space, everything. I had a pedicure chair. It was so cute. Like, I decorated so nicely. But when it came time to renew after my second year, guys, the cost was just too much. Like, I was having financial issues. We were supposed to be moving. It was just a lot happening all at once. Like, I don't know, maybe I was having a panic attack or like a moment, but like I had to do what's best for me. And so I had to move. I had to move because financially I could not afford it. And if you're in a situation where you cannot afford a place, you need to be upfront and talk about that right away and see what your options are, because there's no point in struggling. Like, we all have bills, we have kids, we have to put food on our table, stuff like that. So you need to make sure that you're doing whatever you can do for you and what's best for you and your situation first, no matter what. So after all of that or whatever, I ended up moving downtown. I found a space. It was a shared space. And I found a really, really, really cute little place right on Washington Street. And it has some bomb artists in there, y'all. Like, I'm talking hairstylists, and we have a barber as well, and I think we have a massage therapist coming in too, because it is so freaking nice. Like, I didn't think I would really like downtown, because if you know me, you know I really don't care for downtown. I used to live 5 minutes from downtown, and I moved when I was 19, and like, I've never been back ever since. But y'all, I really like it. It's really nice. If you want to book an appointment with me or just come look at the space, if you're a licensed nail artist or lash tech or hairstylist and you're looking for a space or venue to work out of, please hit me up on my Instagram at DRIPPEDINJUICENAILSTUDIO. And if you'd like to book an appointment, DRIPPEDINJUICENAILSTUDIO.ask.me. I will leave all of that, guys, in the description box below so you can check it out. But it's a vibe, you guys. Really, honestly, the only reason why I haven't been posting is because I've been busy working. I was also running my online store at the time as well. There was just a lot happening in my life. I got engaged. Guys, there's just so much that happened, and it just kind of like messed me up. Like, I wasn't able to record as much as I wanted. Like, think about it. Running your own business, doing your own business cards, doing nail classes, and I also have a life outside of my business as well. It was just really hard to keep up with the posting and stuff like that. But I swear I'm going to stay committed. And if you are following me right now on my Instagram, you'll see my real videos and my TikToks as well on TikTok, Dripped and Juice Nail Studio. I'm always posting my videos and stuff like that. So I say, well, why can't I be consistent now? So we're here and we're going to just do it, because why not? But I don't want to keep you guys too long on this video, just rambling. I want you guys to get into the nails, and I'm going to stop talking because this is a nail tutorial. If you want to know what I'm using, I will also leave that down in the description box below. Like I said, my client is just getting a pink ombre freestyle set. She likes pretty and pink, like jewels and charms and stuff. Like, they came out so cute, so make sure you watch to the end. I am using Young Nails Cover Pink as the base and Valentino's pink. I'm not really sure what color pink this is, you guys, but once I find it, I will leave it down in the description box below. And I'm just drilling right now with a fine drill bit. I like fine drill bits because they smooth the nail out way better than like a medium bit would. To me, that is just my preference. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna let you guys watch this video. It is a little detailed too on the designs and stuff. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.